Hello, welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson, we'll discuss another method of binding. In the previous lesson, we discussed the class binding, which was the fourth method, class binding. And today we'll discuss the style binding. How can we bind style? As you can see, in this, let's copy this code and I'll call it style binding. It's same, almost the same type of binding, hmm, but not very same actually. So how can we bind a style? It's very clear actually. The style itself, we are writing the style like this, say color blue. This is our awesome blue color. I just accepted awesome as awesome or something. Here's my style binding tutorial. So the color is blue in this style binding method. Let's open our page. Here is my style binding tutorial. This color, the font color is blue. Okay, so let's return. Let's find this value. We want to send that the color is blue. How can we do this? Simply add this to bind something like this. Okay, we will write style dot color exactly like this, and here we will send our color variable var, which will have our color, which is blue. So save it. I'll go to the TS and create a var called color var. I will call it blue. Uh, I'll call it blue, which is a variable name. So compiled successfully, and I will go to the cell sheet and see here's the blue color. So what if it was brown? Brown. Here's a brown color. So this is how can you bind a style. So what if you want to bind a multiple style? So you want to change the color name, the color itself, and the width, the height, uh, whatever you want to set as a style. The font, maybe font family, maybe if you want. So how can you do something like this? We'll just keep style, and he will send the expression itself. So it will be it can be in many ways, whether sending it to the style, to the template as an array, or maybe string. Let's try the string one. So as you see, it's without writing any double quote. And if we want to send it as a pair of key and values, pairs of keys and values, it will be like this. No. Uh, let's add a background. Actually, I'm not remembering the spelling correctly, so I'll write it here. Background color black. No. As a pair of key and values, it should work like this. What's the missing? Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, okay, can I get this? Okay, now it's working. Huh? Okay, if I add it, you have it. Okay, here it is. I have just to add a single quote as we have a dash inside the two words. So here it is. And this is, if we change this to 50 pixels, you will notice that the height change. Okay, that's it. How can we change the style? And with different method, different styles, you can set whatever you want. As I said before, you can send whether it is a variable or send a function if you want. It's very easy way. So I'll leave it. You apply some things. I hope that this lesson was beneficial for you, and thanks for listening. Bye bye.